Now we're going to show you the DVD player as well as the TV it comes with. So the DVD player is right there, and that's the slot for your DVDs. We have a bunch of DVDs that are included in the camper in the back of the TV, which is on a swivel. You swivel it out and then you get access to all this stuff in the back. So the box in here has the DVDs as well as some extra batteries that you might need on during your camping trip, as well as remote for the TV. It also has some headlights and things like that that you can use during your trip. Now I'm going to show you how to turn it on. The power for this comes from an inverter that is in the back of the TV. There's a switch here that you turn on and you'll see this yellow light glow, which shows that the power is on. Now you should be able to use the remote for the TV and turn it on and watch it. The DVD you stick into the DVD player in the front that I showed, and you have to put it in the right input. You can also use if you have Wi-Fi or internet connection available in your campsite, you can use the smart TV and watch stuff on YouTube as well as Netflix and other applications. Thanks guys. Thanks for checking out Wanderfleet. We rent campers, RVs, cars, and motorcycles for trips with friends and family. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you know someone who might find this video useful, please share it with them. Thanks for watching.